All mixed up.
Mixed up. So lived in Europe for 30 years. Oh my goodness.
30 Jahre in der Schweiz.
Oh, das weiß ich.
Ja.
Oh, das ist schön.
In der Westschweiz, am Genfersee.
Oh, yeah. Do you know Yiddish?
How long have you been living now in the States?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, but you came there for 30. How long have you been now in the States? Or do you travel back and forth? Or?
I haven't been back quite a while.
Okay.
I've been there 14 years.
Oh, okay.
Do you miss it? I miss it.
Wie bitte?
Do you miss it? Vermisst du die Deutschland?
Ich bin hier in Amerika geboren.
Ja, das ist vielleicht anders.
Ja, und im Herbst bin ich Amerikaner.
Oh ja.
But you're amazing because you can do German and English. You can't
I
tell.
speak Flemish.
Yeah, I was going to say, but you have no accent for any.
Well, when you live in a country like Switzerland that has four national languages,
Yeah.